folks, we're here at a lovely property just looking at the Kimberley Kruiser E-Class. So right behind me I've got a 2021 Kimberley Kruiser, and we're going to bring out this manual awning and we're going to have a look at the whole wall kit provided by Kimberley. This is my first time setting up the full canvas walls on a Fiamma awning. So let's get started. So here I'm just going to unwind it. We've got our hatch. So it can come in an automatic version as well. And the automatic version is just a bolt-on mount there. We can just see how quick this is. The manual version. My best pro tip here is that I do want to come out 50 or 60% and then put the legs down. Now this one being brand new, first open, I've still got the plastic on, so I will slide the plastic off after. And I'll take that off just so that I'm going to be mounting my walls around here. Now the reason we put the legs down there is just to support the weight. It also ensures that we have an opportunity to hold on to it if anything comes up in the wind. And my best advice there is to lift it up and bring that leg out. Bring that leg out and then continue winding. So that's out there. We can go further or farther. We just want to set that up so that the tension is nice on top. Now that's fairly high. That's a great bit of shade there. But because I'm just a little fella, I'm just going to drop this down and set up my anti-flap kit. So installing our anti-flap kit here, we've got the Fiamma anti-flap. It does have an R for right and left, and that's me facing the awning. These two profiles are going to slide together. We can see that as long as they match up, just like that, locking in together there. With these ones here, what we do have is the flaps opening up like that and locking in there. What is going to happen as a pro tip, we just want to make sure that we've overwound that so it is loose. This guy is going to lock up and the flaps or the clamshell goes towards the canvas. So we've got a hook that comes up in here. Excellent. So what we did there is the anti-flap's gone in. We did make it long so that that was easy to slide in here. Now I'm just going to tighten that up. And we can see that that's leveled all that up and that all looks sitting in there correctly. And then we can start from there. So. The anti-flap does come with a center beam, so there is clips on the inside here, and we can put a center beam in if we have bad weather or lots of rain. Next, let's put the walls up. Excellent. We're going to now set up the walls here. So this is the Kimberley canvas walls for the Fiamma awning. We've got a bag that's marked side wall, so we're going to have side wall is out here, front wall, and rear wall. So there's a long seal here that we'll take. And this seal is going to go into that edge there. Setting up the awning walls here on the Kimberley Kruiser and the Fiamma awning. So we do have these seals, is what we call them. On here they are labeled. This one's labeled front, so front of the body. And you can see that there's a bit of an angle on this one. That's for our 9-degree pitch that's on the inside or the top of our cruiser along our windows. So this one, pro tip, is that this one's going to go in with a Velcro on the outside. In that sail track against the body, a bit of dry lube, PTFE, WD-40 dry lube will help slide those in a lot easier. The other one here is our top seal. Again, it says front. That's going to go along there, and making sure we do it correctly is that the vinyl is on the outside. So like this one here, all our top walls are going to be vinyl out, rain protection out. And the other one that we've got here is that it does have a little flap, and there is a little loop there to put a rope on, just to help secure that corner of the wall. So let's do the top one first, following with the vinyl on the outside. This guy here, it does want to fold inside, so I'll try and put it in there, fold it inside. And again, like anything, holding it up and sliding that up to suit with our Velcro. With this one, following the angle, Velcro outside. And that's gonna match up with my draft skirt here along the bottom. So we've got that one in and this one in. Having a quick look here, again, it's saying back, and we see our angle is gonna go to the top. Velcro to the outside. Again, this one, we've got our tie down loop out here. We'll put vinyl to the outside, just like up here. Now, one thing we do have with these is that if our walls are touching the ground, being up or down, we can adjust it with the airbag suspension. So we just then lower our legs, adjust the airbags to suit. We're gonna try out the rear wall here first. So hi, and it's as easy as that to set up the outside awning. Now, the couple of things that we'll show you here is going for these outside walls. They are tapered, so they're traveling around here and around to the front. There is a pole in there that we'll show you on the inside. We've got a big window here outside, and you can see here, this is one way to roll up an awning window, and I've rolled it up upside down. So it's a great place to collect water. The easier way here, or the better way, is to always roll that underneath and let that rain run off. So just a little bit of a pro tip there. We've got midgie mesh on here, front and rear doors. Let's go and have a look inside. Now inside here we can see that we've got a pole, so it's a Kimberley pole here. We've got the Velcro tabs that come around and they offset. So this wall has a Velcro tab and then this wall has a Velcro tab. So just a great little idea to put those around and all the way down to make that work in here. So again, L wall comes around from here, Velcro tab into the corners there, and a small wall with a window is in the middle. It's looking really good here. We have put the draft skirt on, so this seal comes through here, and the draft skirt comes like this. If you do get the stainless steel toolbox, so we've got the extra toolbox here, and they've actually made this skirt go around the toolbox, and that's really great for getting my pegs and ropes out. Little tip there on this is we've got the little white tabs there. So in case you're setting up this one, little white tabs, they go over like a beak. That goes over there and then pull up, and that's locked in there.